In this video, we're going to take a look at the answers from 4.3, the slope and rate of change practice problems. All right, so let's go through it here. For number one, the slope there is 4/3. Now, I think we really need to take a closer look at this in that, okay, here's, again, we're going to make sure that we match up y coordinate with y coordinate. We're going to make sure we match up x with x and hopefully not mix those up. Now, again, if what we've looked at here is if you think about plotting those points and then counting spaces, what they're doing is the simple arithmetic with those coordinates. They took the second y coordinate 6 and they subtracted the first y coordinate 10 and got a difference there of -4. Then they did the same thing with the x's. The second x coordinate -5, and notice there how they're subtracting -2, turns that into addition. So that's -3, but negative divided by negative should be positive. For number two, again, it should always be simplified. In this case, it turns into +1. And again, it doesn't really matter if we go this way. For the y's, from -2 to +2, that's going to be a distance of 4. As in 4 spaces up. And then for the corresponding x's there, from 6 to 10, that's 4 spaces to the right. So 4/4 is 1. Similar way there, number 3 turns out to be -3. Number 4, okay, so if we're going from -5/3 to -2/3, we don't go up or down. So the difference there in the y coordinates is 0 divided by 3. Well, nothing divided by 3 is nothing. So that's a slope of 0. For number 5, okay, find some points there. And again, we're going to count. We're going 6 spaces down, so that should be written as a -6. 8 spaces to the right, but 6/8, we're going to reduce that, so that's -3/4. Number 6, again, pick any pair of points that you want. Going from 6 to 2 is going up 4 spaces. I'm sorry, down 4 spaces. So that'll be negative. From 4 to 0, that's to the left 4 spaces. So that's, again, negative. -4 divided by -4 is 1. Number 7, the slope there, again, simplify it to +3/4. For number 8, our slope here is undefined because, again, if we count spaces here, they've gone up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 spaces. But haven't gone either left or right. You cannot divide by 0. Anytime you try and do that, we say that's an undefined value. And then for number 9, it's a very shallow 1/10. But again, it's positive. We'll trace the line left to right. It's going uphill, so that should be positive. And then finally for number 10, again, match up y with y, x with x. Always reduce. 12 divided by -3 is -4.